This 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 371 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 43 feet 4 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, refrigerator, microwave, slideout, LP detector, oven, external shower, Colorado detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, smoke detector, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, loft, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 371 is 12,764 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.